Okay guys, as you can see here, we cut some of the muscles here, including, for example, in this view, this is a lateral view, again, just to remind you. So we cut the extensor carpi radialis, move it to the side, and we cut even the biceps there, and they will go to the cranial view. Yeah, this is a cranial view. Somehow, for your information, again, we have the humerus here, we have the radius, and this is the radius, and that is behind there. So I would like to talk now about these two muscles, very interesting muscles here. So if you look at the muscles, they start from the humerus and ends on the radius, okay? So the first muscle, it depends, one is located laterally, one is located medially. The lateral located one, called the supinator muscle, this is the supinator muscle, originates from the lateral epicondyle of the humerus. Let me just put the skeleton of the forelimb completely in the same direction. So this muscle, the supinator muscle, starts from the lateral epicondyle of the humerus and inserts on the radius in this area here, as you can see here. This is the supinator muscle. Supinator muscle, from the name supinator, it moves the hand outward, rotate the hand laterally, so to that side. Contraction of the muscle of the supinator muscle will move the radius and ulna laterally, rotate the hand or the arm, in this case, of course, laterally. The other one located medially, it originates from the medial epicondyle, this projection here, again, this projection here, the medial epicondyle of the humerus, and inserts also to this area of the radius, Contraction of this muscle, of course, will rotate the radius and the distal limb medially. So this is a medial view, guys. This is a medial. So it will rotate the hand medially, just like this. So if I put my hand, so this is my right hand, this is my left hand, guys. So contraction of this muscle, which called the pronator teres, will move the arm medially, just like this. Okay. So I just want to show you these two muscles, extremely important. The one on the lateral side is the supinator muscle. The one on the medial side is the pronator teres. Okay?